Hello guys, welcome in Tech Jarvis. Friends, I'm going to start a new series on my channel which will be based on Android Studio. And this video is the first video of this series. I request to all of you please subscribe to my channel. Let's start the video with the intro. So guys, in first video I will tell you how to add navigation drawer in Android Studio. And guys, I will give you all this code in the description box, so must check the description box. Now create a new Android Studio project. Click on this and click on empty activity. Click on next and give your name and navigation the drawer, navigation drawer, language is Java, and change it to Marshmallow and click on finish. Now it's processing. It's just importing the build script. Guys, first of all, I'm just run this project to show you how it look likes, and it's null because we choose main blank activity. It's just build grading. Now building is finished with 0 errors and application is installing on this phone. It's launching activity. As you can see, the project is now blank. This guys, the first step is open Gradle file and paste these 3 implementations. Just copy and move to Gradle and now just Ctrl V paste here and click on Since Now. Guys, it downloads building models, so just wait. As you can see, now it's done. Configure is successful. The second step is open style.xml file and set no action bar. Move to the file, click on resources, click on values, just minimize this and open this style.xml file, and here remove dark action bar with no action bar. Now the third step is add drawable files. Guys, I will put these files, yes, I will put this file in the description box so you can easily download from there. Now the third step is add drawable files. So here is the drawable folder and copy all these files and move here and just simply paste here. Click here and OK. Click OK and click on overwrite. Now it's done. Now the fourth step is add header file. So again go back and this is the header file. Copy this and paste this file in layout folder. Just paste here. Click OK. Now remove this. Now the fifth step is add navigation in menu. So here is the drawer menu. Copy this and move. Click on resource right click, mouse click button, new, add resource directory, and select menu and click on OK. As you can see, menu folder is created here. Click this, press mouse right button and paste this. Click on OK. As you can see the error, you can remove the error by removing this. Sorry, remove this and write home, HOME. Now cut this. The next step is paste code in main activity.xml file. Again, open this main activity.xml file and copy all the codes and just copy and click here and remove all this and just paste here. As you can see, now it's time to change some modification in main activity.java file. So open main activity.java. First of all, import all these files, Ctrl C and paste here. Now click here, again go to main activity.java file and copy this, Ctrl C and just paste here. Navigation, press Alt Enter to import the class. Now again move to file and as you can see here, copy all the content from set toolbar, Ctrl C and remove these and just paste here. As you can see, there is no error and here is also no error. It's time to run the app. Now the app is installing in our virtual phone. Activity is launching, as you can see. So guys, here is navigation drawer. So as you can see, this is the Android Studio and this is navigation drawer 1 button, this is 2, this is privacy policy, this is share, and you can add anything you want. So guys, by this way you can add navigation drawer. Now I will tell you how to change this and how to change these names. Now go to header file, minimize this. As you can see, this is the header and we can customize header from here. This portion will be customized only from this file. And this is drawer menu. As you can see, the drawer menu is here: home, navigation drawer 1, navigation drawer 2, privacy policy, share, and here is the portion, as you can see. So guys, if you want to change the name, just change the title, and if you want to add one more, copy this, Ctrl C and just paste here and change the ID should be unique for all the items. As you can see, navigation drawer 2 is added. And guys, if you want to change in this group, as you can see the share, and if you want to add about us page, copy this item and Control V and change this ID to navigation about us. And how to change these icons? So to change the icon, click on resource and new, click on image vector assist, click on clip art, and to add clip art for about us, we can select this and click on OK. Copy this, Control C and click on next and click on finish. Now drawable is added. How to change this? So rename this to, now just paste the clip art name, which is people, and as you can see clip art is changed here. And let's see how to change the title. So remove this and write about us, and after a few seconds it will be changed here. As you can see, about us is changed. So let's run again. Let's change about us it added or not. Project is building. App is installing. Launching activity. Click here. So guys, as you can see, about us tab is visible here, and as you can see the icon is this. So guys, and in the next video I will show you how to set on click button listener. When you click on navigation drawer, another activity is open, and when you click on home, as you can see home, when you click on home activity is shown. And if we click on share, as you can see we can share this from here. And if we click about us, then the about us page is visible. So guys, in the next video I will show you how to set on click listener on navigation drawer. Guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.